Here's today's top story. Apple releases iOS 26.5.1 to fix charging issue on iPhone Air and iPhone 17 models. Apple today released iOS 26.5.1, a minor update to iOS 26. The software is available 3 weeks after iOS 26.5 came out, and appears to only be available for the iPhone Air and all models in the iPhone 17 lineup. The new software can be downloaded on eligible iPhones over the air by going to Settings General Software Update. According to Apple's release notes, the update fixes a previously documented charging issue with iPhone Air and iPhone 17 models. This update addresses an issue for a small number of users that may prevent wired charging on iPhone Air and iPhone 17 models when the battery is nearly drained. Apple's work on iOS 26 is winding down as it prepares to introduce iOS 27 at the June 8 WWDC keynote event. Popular Stories: Apple's iPhone 17 was the best-selling smartphone globally in the first quarter of 2026, capturing 6% of worldwide unit sales, according to Counterpoint Research's latest global handset model sales tracker. The iPhone 17 series dominated the top 3 spots, with the iPhone 17 Pro Max in second place and the iPhone 17 Pro in third. The previous generation iPhone 16 also held on at. Apple proactively chose to delay the standard iPhone 18 as a deliberate market strategy, the leaker known as Fixed Focus Digital claims, with the move said to extend the iPhone 17's sales window while lowering production costs and improving Apple's competitive position against Android rivals. In 2 new posts on Weibo, Fixed Focus Digital said that a downgrade to the iPhone 18 standard. Apple has slashed prices on the iPhone 17 Pro series in China by 1,000 yuan, around $138, in anticipation of the annual 618 Shopping Festival, one of the country's largest mid-year online retail events. The cuts went live on Friday on JD.com and Tmall, with Apple's official store on the latter platform applying a direct 1,000 yuan discount on the iPhone 17 Pro series. On JD.com, taking into. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.